Hello, I'm Mr. Legacy. I have a small problem with my new table saw. The riving knife behind the blade has a mount for a blade guard on it, which stands proud of where the blade is, meaning you can't do no through cuts. This is a problem. I had a look around online to see if I could find any replacement riving knives that didn't have these mount points on it, but that was a bit of a dead end. So rather than remove it completely, which seems like a really dangerous idea to me, I thought I'd go with the next best option. So I lowered the blade so it was just poking up above the table, marked the riving knife just below in line with the blade, then I removed the riving knife, got my wand out, put it all back together, perfect. Thanks for watching.